Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, a titanic battle is looming between impressive imported Desert of Malibu and one of 6 overseas invitees, Legacy Isle, with a cracking pace and a final time being expected for the third running of the ultra-rich Mouttet Mile on Saturday at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters has our preview of the event, which carries a whopping purse of US $250,000, or approximately 38 million Jamaican dollars.
The highly fancied Desert of Malibu, 3-1 in the anti-post odds, hunting 5 straight wins on the trot, is set to face her sternest test yet. The 5-year-old chestnut mare, who recently clocked a very fast 1 minute 12 and 3 going 6 furlongs to easily win the Port Royal Sprint, will have leading jockey Radish Roman in the saddle. Conditioned by Gary Sobrati, Desert of Malibu will also have stable companions 2-time Horse of the Year Atomica, as well as Sister Treasure for company.
Desert of Malibu that's fine. I mean, you still have to come out with a little speed anyway, so that's fine to where she is.
Atomica has failed to deliver in the last 2 stagings, finishing 9th as a 4-5 favourite in 2022 and dislodging Dane Dawkins, who will be back in the saddle in 2023.
She doesn't like to be interfered with at the gate when she breaks. I think that's what our problem is. She gets a little flustered because she's that type of, that type of girl. She just wants to get out and get going.
Anthony Nunez's pair of Tiz Talk, to be ridden by Shane Ellis, and Barnaby with Omar Walker in the saddle, are expected to ensure a thrilling finish.
I don't love the one draw for Tiz Talk, but it is what it is. I can't control it. The good news is in America he did win some races drawn down on the inside, so he shows that he won't have any problems running down on the rail, for example. You just hope he doesn't have any traffic problems. And the same thing for Barnaby. He's drawn at 6. I'd prefer them to be a little bit more further towards the outside.
2-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta has a shot at making it a close one, with Gold Cup winner and runner-up Fun Can Done to be partnered by Robert Hallideen. And is that a fact, the mount of title-chasing jockey Tevin Foster?
But I got some decent draws in the Mouttet Mile. I have 4, I got 3, 5, 8 and 15, so I'm pretty happy with my draws. It's a tough race, but my horses are peaking, so I think I have a good shot.
Meanwhile, last year's winning trainer Ron Crichton is looking to repeat his success with Legacy Isle, second in the anti-post odds at 7-2, the mount of Gulfstream Park-based rider Emisale Hamarillo. Crichton also saddles commandant with Dane Nelson, the replacement rider. Nunez weighs in on the expected battle between the 4-year-old Bay Colt and Desert of Malibu.
She's very, very talented. She's very, very light with 51.5 kilos. So it's going to be a good horse that will have to beat her with 126 pounds. Rohan Crichton has 2 really nice horses, especially Legacy Isle. So, I mean, if he runs his race, his best race, I think we're all in trouble, to be honest.
The race is set for 4:40 p.m. In the meantime, Ian Passad's 1,000 Guineas winner Run Julie Run is the 8-5 morning line favourite for the Chairman's Plate, going 9 furlongs and 25 yards with Ryan Lewis aboard. Looking to make it a close one are trainers Leroy Tomlinson and Michael Marlowe with a She's a God Gift to be ridden by Javanil Patterson and Positive ID, the mount of Paco Lopez respectively.
My horse have never got that distance yet, but she got 7.5 furlong, so the draw is good. Number 8, everything else is good for her.
Well, the journey, I love going the distance, so I rate my chances to make a late run.
12 horses are set to face the starter at 1:55 p.m. 11 races are on the card with no purse under $1 million. First post is 10 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.